Well. Another spectacular run by rapidly rising Jamaican star Bryan Levell. An eye-popping 19.69 at a World Challenge meet in Hungary. And again, the Maverick is searching for words at this impressively smooth transition of this young sprinter. Still only 21 years old, Levell is already a two-time national 200 champion. He's already an Olympic semi-finalist from Paris in 2024. And the scary thing is that Levell seems to improve every single time he steps onto the track. And the grand question is now, how high is his ceiling? And furthermore, with some power performers in the event, such as world champion Noah Lyles, Olympic champion Letsile Tobogo, Kenny Bednarick, Andre DeGrasse and company, can Bryan Levell continue to level up and improve himself onto the medal podium in Tokyo? I don't know, but impact though.